Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing well. It's Tuesday today and I thought I would vlog. It's actually our 3-year wedding anniversary today. I don't even know where that 3 years has gone. It's crazy, it feels like it was yesterday that we got married. But this morning has been a little bit challenging. Obviously the boys are at home, it's the summer holidays, and not gonna lie, struggling a little bit. We're into week 2 and it's just very full on. So if I'm not posting as many videos, it's just because I want to spend some time with them, especially Archie, because Elliot's still going to nursery, so for him it's kind of just like normal, but Archie's at home, so I just want to spend time with them together this summer. And I know things will get back on track in September, and I'm just trying not to feel too guilty about it. I think it's such an important time for us all to just be together as a family. But I thought I would vlog today. Yeah, I haven't vlogged any of this morning because literally I'm struggling to pick up a camera, because if I pick up a camera one of them will do something dangerous and I'll just be like having to catch them from falling off a table or doing something, and then I'll feel really guilty that I was filming and not watching them. You know what I mean. So I'm just trying to take it all in my stride and do what I can. Work has started on some more renovation-y bits in the house, so I'll show you what's been started today. My poor dad has got a list as long as his arm of things that I would like done over time, but luckily for us he's very happy to do them, and he's very clever as well, so he's getting on with that. The first job is the stairs, so I'll show you that now. My dad has got here bright and early to start working on our staircase. I think I've spoken to you about this before, but it might have been over on Instagram, but I said that this is one of the areas in the house that I was just not happy with. It's just not worked out well having the stairs painted, because they're really badly marked and like cracked, and the stair carpet that we were kind of coerced into buying was not good for stairs. So yeah, we're going to do something here, hopefully some panelling, do the stairs a bit differently, and hopefully it will look really, really nice. So I thought I'd just get a little before shot. So this is what it's looking like right now. I don't know if it's a little bit dark, but I thought I would quickly show you my outfit up here, because the downstairs hallway mirror is just out of bounds at the moment. So I put on this dress from Misguided. I absolutely love it. I don't know if it's a bit over the top just to go out for the day, but I'm just going to dress it down. It's so cool. Watch this. It's got these little, I've never seen a dress like this before. It's got these little ties and you can pull it up. How cute is that? So you can do like day casual mode with some trainers, and then bam. I got this from ASOS, but it is a Misguided dress, so I'll link it below if it's still online. I've got my ASOS little basket bag. I just take this everywhere with me. It was £13 in the sale the other day, so I don't know if they have any more, but I love it. And then I'm going to chuck on my denim jacket, like I said, just to make it look a bit more casual, and just put some trainers on as well, I think. And that's my outfit. So we're finally all up and out of the house. We were meant to leave at 10 o'clock this morning. It's now 1, but at least we're out. I think we're going to go to Canterbury. It's a really nice little, is it a town? It's a town, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a town.
We don't really go there very often, even though it is in Kent, but we've never been with Elliot. But I know we went, the last time we went I was pregnant with him, because we actually vlogged it that day as well. I think it was in March.
What was it?
Yeah, it was in March, so I was quite pregnant.
We really ain't been in for a while.
No.
It was in March when you was pregnant.
A long time ago, nearly 3 years. So we thought we'd just go there for the day. Both boys are having a nap after being up since like 6 o'clock this morning. Yeah, it's been one of those mornings, so they really do. This is actually good that it's about an hour's drive, because they really need to sleep, and hopefully they'll wake up in a better mood and we can just go and like have a look around some of the shops and find a nice park and somewhere to eat, you know, just one of those nice cozy family days. Hopefully we'll see how it goes. Elliot has in the last like couple of days learnt how to get over his gate on his room. We have a gate on his room because I know some people don't like them, but if we didn't, he would get up in the night and go through stuff in the bathroom and stuff in Archie's room. So obviously he's only just learned how to get over it, and sure enough, a few nights ago Ricky found him at 3 AM in Archie's room playing. So we're just trying to adjust.
Someone had broken in.
Yeah, it's quite scary.
Because the dogs, Miley was going nuts. And I was like, oh, what is she parking for this time of night? And then I heard some rustling. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
So I got up, and then literally as I walked down the hallway towards Archie's room, he just shot out the door. Scared the life out of me, but...
Yeah, we're just trying to adjust to it at the moment because it means that he can now come into our room, and I don't think it'll be long before he clocks that he could do that at any time and come in the middle of the night. So we've already got Archie in the bed with us. So if we have Elliot as well, it's just none of us are going to get a good night's sleep at all. So we're kind of dreading it a little bit, but you know, it's all good fun.
You might get like one of those double gates for the door.
Like a full prison bar set. No, do you know what I think we'll end up getting? Like
we'll
a super king size bed.
Oh, no way.
Or just bring their mattresses in and just be done with it, and then stay in there till they're like 14. It's easy to achieve. Hello. I need to love yourself. It's the greatest love of all.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
We got little Splinter. Oh, you brave boy. Oh, bless you. Our new photographer taking photos of Mummy. Giving Mummy instructions.
Where are we coming to?
Smiggles.
Smiggles.
Can I buy this, please?
I don't know. It looks cool though, doesn't it?
Please, can I buy it?
It's nice. We're just going to have a little look around the shop, aren't we? And then make up our minds. What have you got, Elliot? Unicorns. Oh. Oh, they're dinosaurs. Of course they are. That's cool, isn't it? You found one as well. Shall we have a look at the water bottles then?
My goose.
No, don't put it in your mouth. On our way back from Canterbury, it's quite late, but we thought, seeing as it was our anniversary, we would take the boys to go and see where we got married, the little church and the barn. I don't know how much we'll actually get to see because it'll probably, obviously, it'll be locked up. But yeah, we thought it would just be a nice little thing to do. It was just a really nice evening, and we haven't actually been back here since we got married. We keep saying that we're going to come and just like have a walk round, and we never do. So obviously today is the perfect day to do that.
Home, so I think we're just gonna do a quick dinner and put the boys to bed. They're so tired, but I thought I'd quickly show you what my dad's done on the stairs so far. So far it's looking like this. So we've got the start of the paneling up, and then there's going to be sort of like beading going up, and there's going to be a handrail, and then obviously that will be on both sides. So I'm thinking it's going to look really nice. It's really hard to make a staircase like this look nice, but I think this is going to really improve it and make it look so lovely. So I'm excited for it to all be done. We're all going to bed because we've all stayed up late, haven't we? Oh,
She's not, it's stinky.
I'm stinky. Oh.
Mummy!
I just live with a house of boys. All we ever talk about is poo. Just got the boys to sleep, honestly. Don't know what he's got into them at the moment, but we're finding it really difficult to get them to go to sleep, and they're usually like pretty good at going to sleep. Archie always comes into our room in the night, but he's good at getting himself to sleep. I'm just about to take my makeup off and have a quick shower, but I just thought I would show you. So Archie is on his floor bed, as he calls it, because we just can't sleep properly with him in our bed at the moment. So he's on his floor bed because it's the only way I could get him to go to sleep. I've just rolled over to check on him and I've seen this. That's my benefit eye mask. I didn't even know where it was, and I've just rolled over and he's got it on. Bless his heart, he looks so cute and so extra. So I think that's going to be it for this vlog. Yeah, we just had a really nice family day, and I think when you've got really young kids, that's probably what anniversaries are all about, really. So yeah, thank you all for watching so much. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want me to do more, you know, family vlogs. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in another video very soon. Night, guys.
Days without water